This video will teach you how to use the CSS portal to submit permits online. Once you are logged into the CSS portal, you can click Apply in the upper right-hand corner. On this page, you can see all of the different plans and permits available to apply for. You can use the search bar to narrow it down, or you can click Permits to narrow down the permit types that are available. In this example, I am going to use a roofing permit and I will click Apply. The first question it will ask you is the location, so you will click the plus sign and add in the address to the search bar on the upper left-hand side. You will type the address in and click this magnifying glass to search. You will select the parcel ID that matches the address that you're using with a checkbox and select Add. Now you will see that your location has been added to step 1. Click Next to move on to step 2. In step 2, it will ask you for a description of your project. And you will also want to enter the value of the project. In this area, you want to enter numbers only, no commas or dollar signs. Select Next to proceed to step 3. On the contacts, you will automatically be assigned as the applicant. You will now need to add a contractor. Please be sure that you are using a contractor that has the required certifications for the project at hand. So we're going to add a roofing contractor here. And you also need to add an owner by clicking the plus sign. This is the owner of the address that you're doing the work at. So you will use this search to search for the owner of the property. Click Next to proceed. It will now ask you for additional information. So you'll use this list to pull down from a selection of options. And it will also ask you for the building code that you're using for the project. It will ask you if there's any private covenants or restrictions that would prevent you from doing this job. And then finally, it will ask if your roof is insulated. But this is not a required answer, so I will click Next to proceed. If you have any attachments that you would like to add, you can click this plus sign here and it will give you the option to add any documents from your computer. I will click Next as I do not have any attachments to add. It will now ask for your signature. You will just type in your name and draw in your signature below and click Next. It will ask you to review and make sure all of the information that you provided is correct, and you will click Submit. It shows with a green check mark that your application has been successfully submitted. You can either continue to the permit to go back to the permit and either add more information or change information, or to process the payment, you would click Add to Cart and then follow the prompts to complete the transaction.